Hey everybody, Chris here. So as I get set to leave on my vacation, thought I would drop one last video. Where is Dogecoin going? We know. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my next video comes out, as well as when I go live. And I'll be live next on Monday, March 18th. But until then, I'm going to be doing a bit of traveling. But I will keep tuned to what is going on in the crypto markets, of course. And we'll be posting some videos on my Twitter at ChrisPax. Follow me there. Be having some fun with that as well. So, what am I looking at now? Where Dogecoin is going? Let's take a closer look. And we'll start here by looking at the Dogecoin chart, and Doge is back up over 15 cents after overnight being below. That's where it is while I'm recording this, 15.4 now, showing a move up. Bitcoin, of course, is much higher, up at 67,000, over 67K now. This red line is what I was checking as a comparison, which 66K. Doge still under the 16-cent line there. So Doge is following Bitcoin. What we're seeing overall is, because of this big run that we had with the meme coins, we're seeing a rotation, again, out of the memes, people taking profits on memes, and where are they putting it? Not only Bitcoin, but I'll show you. So Pepe down 12%, Bonk down 12, WIF down 15, Floki down 8, Sheeb down 9, Doge only 5. So Doge was holding better in terms of this rotation out of memes. Where are they going? AI, Render, Fetch, those are the big ones. But we also see blockchains. That's right. Algorand up 15, Injective up 18, Solana up 14. So that's the rotation that we're seeing into these blockchain projects, and also with ETH possibly leading the way going forward. We've got the Denkun upgrade come, and then maybe even an ETH spot ETF. That will be huge. But for Dogecoin, under a market correction, we've seen that. Sheeb as well, following this significant rally and then the pullback. Dogecoin plunges after hitting 3-year high. Can bulls make a comeback? That's what we've been seeing as Doge fell, as well as a sell-off in these other meme coins, meme tokens. That's what we've seen. But now a recovery happening, and then we'll see where this goes from here. That in a minute. So what's going to happen with Elon and Google and OpenAI? There's a lot of this sort of back and forth, as well as the former Twitter executives as well. They seem to be firing back against Elon. We'll see how all of that plays out. I don't think that has a lot to do with Dogecoin per se. But Daryl at Crypto Trade Signals is looking at Dogecoin possibly closing back above 18 cents, and then there could be this continuation and pump going forward. That's a good start, I think. Just a minute, and I'll show you what those real price targets are as we go forward. Dogecoin price prediction, Doge bulls hold 15 cents. We saw that dip below again, just in the upper 14s. Could that be that buying opportunity? $1 incoming, not quite yet time to be talking about $1. We have some major resistance levels that I'll show you in a minute that we'll be hitting first. Crypto Trader says Dogecoin has too much firepower, could skyrocket up by over 500%, but there's a catch. And we were looking at this. This was the altcoin Sherpa who was posting that I think that this does something stupid, like go to $1 plus or something. It's got too much firepower with Elon and is still the king meme. So in looking at the chart, what he's looking at is this move at up to 20 cents, and then the longer term resistance at 35 cents, and then the all-time high at 74. So if we look at those on the Dogecoin chart, in the short term, let me first go to the 2-hour. In the short term, what we're looking at is we had this trading back here in early March. As Dogecoin moved up, we saw a double top at about 15 cents, and we saw this double bottom at about 13.5 cents. So bulls versus bears, how was this going to respond? Classic trading, dump down to 12.6, and then the strong move up to 20 cents. Dogecoin then, with this big sell-off that we saw after Bitcoin hit its new all-time high of 69K, right back down to 12.6. So 12.6 is the ground. That is the solid support. However, we have this 15-cent line here from that double top. So where did we go? We went just below that to 14.9, 14.8, and that was the buying opportunity on the dip as Doge is now moving back up. So that is the short-term time frame of what we see with the trading. So if we head down here to the weekly, we zoom out on the bigger picture, what we're looking at is this trading. Once we get back up 20 cents, this is this trading that we had back in 2021 between 20 and 26, 27 cents, this purple area. Once we break out of that, 35 cents. Why 35? 35 was the high that we had in August of 2021 following the sell-off from Dogecoin's all-time high. That 35-cent line is the same as altcoin Sherpa has here at 35 cents. So that's what we're looking at as the first major resistance after the choppy trading that we could have between 20 and like 27, 28 cents. And this was from Tom Crown. Tom had shown this this rectangle on his channel, and he was actually looking at the monthly. And with the monthly, these were the candles that he was looking at right here. Solid 4 months of trading, well, 5 months of trading really, right in this zone. So that's what we could see possibly throughout the summer. And what would it take to break out of that? Well, that's again back to Elon, X payments. Where is that going? Then we have this 35-cent, very strong resistance line. And then what we were talking about last night on the live stream is, can Dogecoin break its all-time high? Well, 74 cents right here. And what does that mean for how the trading will go? We could see the same price action we just saw on Bitcoin when Bitcoin hit 69K, profit taking. If Dogecoin trades up to 74, we could see profit taking. We could see Doge drop down, possibly significantly, before finding a new floor and then moving on up from there. That is how that typical trading could go. Is Dogecoin worth the risk? Well, what we see now is we saw much less risk over the past week for Doge, but now that's moved to more toward the middle. So the current thinking is Doge is kind of in this zone right now that's just a moderate risk. It isn't high risk, but isn't low risk. It's in this moderate stage right in the middle. So where is Dogecoin going to go from here? Dogecoin is literally going to the moon. That's right. We still have out there this Doge 1 mission, possibly late 2024 now, and Doge price blast is expected on a number of reasons. X payments, that's the huge one. But if the Doge 1 mission follows closely with that, that will be awesome and huge for Dogecoin, going to the moon. So for now, with Dogecoin doing this kind of trading right up at 15.6, that's very strong right now. Movement up for Doge. We'll see where this goes from here. Look, I'll be on vacation. I'll be checking in, though, on X Twitter. Follow me there at ChrisPax here on X Twitter at ChrisPax. So X payments? Could this be coming? For Doge particularly? We'll be watching for that. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about where you think Doge is going. Give the video a like if you haven't already. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.